Okay, look at this one. Postulate number 5. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight line, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which the sum of angles is less than the two right angles. Okay, this one is the figure. Suppose you consider AB is a straight line and CD is a straight line. Okay, another straight line PQ, that means PQ lies on that two straight lines, or you can say in another words that AB and CD are two straight lines and PQ is the transversal. Okay, and then they are saying that the interior angle produced, suppose this angles is 1 and this angle is 2, that 1 and 2 angles are produced on the right side of the transversal PQ, and they are interior because they are inside the lines AB and CD. Okay, again suppose another two angles 3 and 4 that are produced on the right left hand side of the transversal and interior because both are inside the lines AB and CD. Okay, they are saying that if the sum of two interior angles are less than two right angles, that means less than 180 degree, and the lines are suppose produced, then they will meet at some point on which side where the sum of two interior angles are less than, suppose in this case angle 1 plus angle 2 is suppose less than 180 degree, then this AB side and this CD side will meet at some point on the right side of the transversal. Okay, suppose the value of angle 3 and plus 4 will greater than 180 degree, then these two lines never meet on this side. Okay, clear? Already all of you learned, I think all of you learned in class 8 lines and angles, class 8 or 7 lines and angles, and again you will learn in the next chapter number 6, that suppose a line AB and CD are parallel to each other and there is a transversal. If these two lines are parallel to each other, that suppose this is AB and suppose this is CD and this is suppose L line. If AB is parallel to CD and this is suppose transversal, then these two angles are co-interior angles, that means sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, these angles are co-interior angles, sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree, or they are known as co-interior angles, and sum of the two interior angles along the same side of the transversal is equal to 180 degree. Okay, in class 7 I think already all of you learned this one, but in this case it is clearly given that AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, that means AB and CD never meet each other because they are parallel lines and they are never meet each other. That is why sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree and sum of this angle equal to 180 degree. And remember again this 180, and all of you, if you add this to one, then it's also 180, and also ultimately it becomes a complete angle 360 degree. Okay, but in this case, look at this one. In this case, you could say that if AB and CD are two lines, we don't know about they are parallel or about they will meet each other. We don't know. The given thing is AB and CD are two lines, straight lines, and PQ is another straight lines on this line, two lines. Okay, then in some interior angles formed. One is suppose this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, this one 4. According to Euclid, if the sum of two interior angles along the same side is not equal to 180 degree, that not equal to 180 degree, that means it may be greater than 180 degree or it may be less than 180 degree. Okay, so in this case AB and CD are two lines and PQ is the transversal line, that means two pair of or four angles will produce. Suppose this 1 and angle 2 are two interior angle. Why interior? Because they are inside AB and CD and along the same side of the transversal, along the right hand side. This one is a PQ, so right hand side of PQ is this one. So 1 and 2 are the two interior angles. Again 3 and 4 are two interior angles along the left side of the transversal. Clear? So then Euclid says that if the sum of interior angles is not equal to 180 degree, that means it may be less than 180 degree or it may be greater than 180 degree. And Euclid says that if it less than 180 degree, then towards that side, if you produce that two lines, then at some point they will meet each other. Okay, and where the sum of angle is greater than 180 degree, then on that side they will never meet. Clear?